Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on the gold market. So you can see the scenario that we discussed recently has been realized very accurately. Things that we haven't mentioned in recent update and levels, position entry, and in general overall performance stance. Very good from the technical point of view. And when the market follows the technical rules, this always brings some confidence to the overall assessment of the situation. So currently, let's start from the daily chart. This is important for those of you who have not taken the position recently, but were waiting for confirmation on the daily chart. And now you have this confirmation. This is the grabber that has been formed recently on the gold market. It has been confirmed. This grabber suggests taking out of this top. It means that at least we should get reaching of the nearest target around 1805. It's reaching the XOP here, and then the follow time frame chart is another OP target stands in the same area. Simultaneously, from the market mechanics on the intraday charts, our short-term invalidation point is moving right to these lows. So in fact, 1716 right now is the level where our market should remain. If market will show the raising of this action and breaks the grabber down, raising the grabber, drop below the lows, well, it means that the short-term bullish context is broken, because by the way how the market is moving, it should not erase this upward action. On the follow time frame chart, now I'll explain you why this is important. And on the follow time frame chart, what we have, completion of this XOP, as we said, that's in an area where we'll intend to take a look, take the long position. Here is very nice reversal candle has been formed. So those of you who have taken the position right here now, you could move stop to the break-even. Those traders, the daily traders who just intend to go long, that is very good situation because we have the grabber in place. This is resting swing of the grabber. Potentially you could here recognize some kind of the hand and shoulders pattern might be formed. So we could get some kind of the minor ABCD that will finalize the target of the 1805. That's an OP that I'm talking about. And on the hourly chart, you could see that market stands currently at the confidence support 1770, 1780. It's a very good area to consider taking the long position, because currently we're interested just with this most recent upper swing. This is an invalidation point. Why? By the market mechanics, we could speak that this is an invalidation point. Just because, guys, the retracement that has happened before reaching the target is done. So with this downside action, market has completed minor pullback, completing the target to the downside, and it's starting upward action. So in the case if market will just erase this and drop more, that will be not logical. This will be irrational type of action, because currently market should turn to the extension if it is bullish. And if market will not do this, it means that something is wrong with its bullishness, and it will be, well, not the type of action that usually should happen while market stands with a positive sentiment. And that's why we could focus just on the most recent upward swing. So that's actually what we have on the gold. Everything stands very nice. Those of you, as I said, who taken position here in our area that we have specified, this XOP has been done with this ABCD pattern. Now move stops to the break-even. Those who just think about the taking position, trying to trade based on the daily grabber, that is a comfortable situation right now for a possible taking position right on the confidence support. Invalidation point stands right here, but if it's too far for your assets on the account, you could consider taking the stops, for instance, below the 618 support, or better below these lows, because take a look, this is strong reversal type of action. These lows are very important, 1770. You could hide your stops below this area. But ultimately, you even could consider the placing stops somewhere below the confidence, because well, chances are not bad that market will be able to stay above the confidence as well and could restart upward action right from here. But preferably, if you will hide your stops either below these lows or even below the grubber's lows on the daily chart.